Hello dear student, welcome in KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science College, Nasik. Myself, Dr. V.S. Shinde, Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry. Student, in previous lecture, we have seen quantum yield and reasons for the low and high quantum yield. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss photochemistry of chlorophyll, means what is exact photochemistry of chlorophyll. Also, the photosynthesis process and the reactions of chlorophyll. So let's see. This is the structure of chlorophyll. As we know that the central metal ion is Mg, that is magnesium. So chlorophyll is green compound. As we know that chlorophyll is green compound and it is found in the leaves of plant as well as green stems of plants. In 1864, it was assumed that chlorophyll was a single compound. But in 1864, Stokes showed that by spectroscopically, chlorophyll was a mixture. Okay, how it is mixture? He proved that if dried leaves are powdered, if dried leaves are powdered and mixed with ethanol, that is digested with ethanol, after concentration of this solvent, the crystalline chlorophyll is obtained. Initially, it was assumed that chlorophyll is a single compound, but in 1864, Stokes showed spectroscopically that the chlorophyll having two types, that is crystalline one and amorphous one. He proved that if dried leaves are digested with the ethanol, dried leaf first crushed and then digested with ethanol, after complete concentration of the solvent, it gives the crystalline chlorophyll. Also, if this dried leaves is digested with ether, or aqueous acetone, it gives amorphous product. Okay, so crystalline one when it is digested with ethanol, while amorphous one when it is digested with ether or acetone. Okay student, so let's see, this is the structure of chlorophyll. This is the major group. Basically, there are two types, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. When here is CH3, then you can say it as a chlorophyll A. While when this CH3 is replaced with aldehyde, that is CHO, then we can say it as a chlorophyll B. This is very important one. If this group is a CH3, then we can say chlorophyll A, while when this group is replaced with CHO, that is aldehyde, then we can say that chlorophyll B. Okay student, so let's see the uses of chlorophyll. Before starting uses, the intense green color of chlorophyll is due to strong absorption in red and blue region of the spectrum. Okay, why if question is there, why there is intense green color of chlorophyll? The answer is that it is due to strong absorption in red and blue regions of the spectrum. Okay student, so let's see the uses. I drop this. Okay, uses of chlorophyll. As we know, there are many uses of chlorophyll. Due to green color of chlorophyll, it used in many dyes, pigments. Also, it is used in coloring soaps, also oils, waxes, etc. also. And the major use of chlorophyll is in photosynthesis process. Okay, these are the general uses. As we know that due to green color of chlorophyll, it is used in dyes, pigments, also in coloring soaps, also in many kinds of oils and waxes. And the most important use of chlorophyll is in nature is in the photosynthesis process. Okay, it is capable of channeling the energy of sunlight into chemical energy through the process of photosynthesis. In this process, the energy absorbed by chlorophyll transforms carbon dioxide like CO2 plus H2O, which gives carbohydrates and oxygen, CH2O plus O2. Okay, I again repeat, it is capable of channeling the energy of sunlight. Into chemical energy through the process of photosynthesis. In this process, the energy absorbed by chlorophyll transferred to carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates and oxygen. Let's see the mechanism. Mechanism is very interesting one. So let's see. In the photosynthesis reaction, electrons are transferred from water to carbon dioxide. In photosynthesis reaction, electrons are transferred from water to carbon dioxide. That is, obviously carbon dioxide is reduced by water. Carbon dioxide is reduced by water. Okay, though it is reduced by water. Chlorophyll assists this transfer as when chlorophyll absorb light energy. When chlorophyll assists this transfer, chlorophyll is able to assist this transfer, means there is transfer of electron from water to CO2. So obviously CO2 is reduced as it gains electron, and chlorophyll is assist this transfer when chlorophyll absorb light energy. If this is chlorophyll, when it absorbs light energy, it assists this transfer. An electron in chlorophyll is excited from lower energy to higher energy. Okay, an electron from chlorophyll is excited from lower energy to higher energy. I again repeat, there is transfer of electron from H2O to CO2. So obviously CO2 get reduced, and chlorophyll assists this transfer as when chlorophyll absorb light energy. An electron in chlorophyll is excited from lower energy state to higher energy state. In this higher energy state, this electron is more radially transferred to another molecule. In this excited state, this electron more radially transferred to another molecule. This starts a chain of electron transfer steps. Okay, which ends with an electron being transferred to carbon dioxide, and this chain ends with electron being transferred to carbon dioxide. Meanwhile, the chlorophyll which gave up an electron can accept an electron from another molecule. I again repeat, meanwhile the chlorophyll which gave up an electron can accept an electron from another molecule. This is the end of the process, which starts with the removal of electron from water. This is the end of reaction which starts with removal of electron from water. Okay, student, thus the chlorophyll is the center of, thus chlorophyll is the center of photosynthesis, photosynthetic oxidation reduction reaction between water and CO2, between CO2 and water. Okay, so this is the very simplest mechanism. I again repeat, in photosynthetic reaction, electrons are transferred from water to carbon dioxide. That is, carbon dioxide is obviously reduced by water. Chlorophyll assists this transfer when it absorbs light energy. In this an electron in chlorophyll is excited from ground state to higher energy state. In this higher energy state, this electron is more readily transferred to another molecule. This starts a chain of electron transfer step which ends with the electron being transferred to carbon dioxide. Okay, so the chlorophyll is the center of photosynthetic oxidation reduction reaction between CO2 and H2O. Okay, student. So this is the process, how the photosynthesis process is operated, which gives carbohydrates and oxygen molecule. Okay, so let's see simple reactions of chlorophyll. Simple reactions of chlorophyll. So let's see the reactions of chlorophyll with acid and base. When this chlorophyll A react with acid, there is removal of Mg, that is magnesium. We can directly write NH like this. I will not show the total structure because it is time consuming structure. So, and I think there is no need to draw that structure again. Okay, all remaining structure are same, double bond and all. I'm not showing here that structure. See, when this chlorophyll A treat with acid, that is H plus, there is removal of Mg, that is magnesium, which gives olive brown solid. We can say it as olive brown solid pheophytene. Which gives pheophytene A. Pheophytene A. And when hydrolysis of this pheophytene, or olive brown solid hydrolysis of this pheophytene, here are two groups, O C20 C double bond O C20 H39 and C CO2 H3 is there. So both this group get converted into acidic group. I directly show this group. Okay, this group get converted into, I only show that group, OH, and this group again converted into COOH. Okay, both these groups are converted into acid group because after hydrolysis of this pheophytene, we get pheophorbyde A. Pheophorbyde A. Okay, and similar reaction is happen if chlorophyll B is used. Similar reactions is happen if chlorophyll B is used. This reaction with acid is very simple reaction. What is reaction? When this chlorophyll A treat with H plus, it gives olive brown solid, that is pheophytene A. Only there is removal of Mg, and there is addition of two hydrogen. All remaining structure is one and same. This is pheophytin A, and the hydrolysis of this pheophytin or olive brown solid, it convert this both group, that is C double bond O C20H39, into acid, that is C double bond O OH, while CCO2H3 is again converted into COOH, which is nothing but pheophorbyl A compound. And similar reaction is obtained when chlorophyll B is used. Okay, so let's see the reactions of base. This reaction of base is also very simple. Reaction of base. If KOH is there, means base. Only remember, all structure in base is remaining same, means overall structure is one and same along with magnesium. Here there is no removal of Mg, only this group and this group get converted directly into acidic group, COH and O H. Okay, both this group and this group get converted into COOH and double bond OH. Remaining all structure is one and same. There is no removal of Mg. Okay, student. So these are the reactions of chlorophyll and photochemistry of chlorophyll. As we know that chlorophyll is the major use of chlorophyll is in photosynthesis process. Okay, we have seen the chlorophyll is found in green leaves as well as green stems. Also, we assume that there is only one kind of chlorophyll, but in 1864 by Stokes, it was proved that there are two types of chlorophyll, crystalline chlorophyll and amorphous chlorophyll. If CH3 group, if this group is CH3, so there it is called as chlorophyll A. If this group is replaced with CHO, then that there is called as chlorophyll B. There are so many uses of chlorophyll. The most important use is in photosynthesis process. We have also seen the mechanism of that process and reactions of this chlorophyll. So thank you, student. In next lecture we will discuss DD transitions and charge transfer spectra. So thank you.